Hello, dear customers. Thanks for purchase our cam. I'm here to tell you how to make this camera work with your smartphone for remote view and for home security. If you have any questions during use, please contact with us by email or the social media. Okay, let's begin. Before you install the camera, please read this use manual carefully. Okay. At first, we can scan this QR code to download the apps. It's named OrCam Max. And we can input OUCam. We can find the OrCam Max on the Google Play. We have to download and install it on your cell phone. The second, we have to power on the mini camera. Press this power button to make camera power on. We have to wait 30 seconds let the camera working. Okay, we use the smartphone on the My interface. We find this internet. Click the internet. If your Wi-Fi function is closed, please open it. Tap the See All. Okay, we can find a network name. It's the same on the bank, the same serial number on the back of camera. You can see it. It's the same. Tap to connect. The Android phone need some time to link with the camera. Now he has appeared opinion. Tap for opinion. This network has no internet access. Stay connected. Don't ask again for this work. We have to make the camera connect with the cell phone until we setting. Okay, we found the OrCam apps. We download and open it. Click this plus button to here on the top of corner to add camera. Next. Okay, a serial number's camera's ID has been found. It's here. It's also the same like the Wi-Fi network name. Click. Okay, he will let you to input the camera password. The default password is 1, 2, 3. The password is here. Save. Okay, we can see this camera has been added on this camera list, and the state is shows online. We can see the videos. Now we have to make this camera connected with your Wi-Fi route for remote view. Click this setting button. We can find this Wi-Fi setting tab. If your Wi-Fi route is not appeared on this list, you can make this camera and your smartphone with the route as clear as nearly as possible. Okay, we click the home Wi-Fi route, input the Wi-Fi route password. Before we join the Wi-Fi route, we can see the password. To ensure the password is right, click Join. We back to the app My Interface. The state will show you connecting failed. Okay, the camera connect with your Wi-Fi route successful. Thanks for watching.